Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miss Shares. If you haven't subscribed, please click the link below and subscribe. If you're new here, you're welcome. So these are today's ingredients. We are making spaghetti in tomato sauce that I got from Checkers. It's for pasta as well, Italian pasta, so we're going to try it out. So we'll start with boiling our pasta separately from everything else. So you put your pasta in a plate, boil your water, you put hot water, the traditional way of making pasta. I don't break my pasta because I like it long and spirally. So I'm just going to cut this piece of meat because we are going to boil it a bit and then fry and put in sauce. So I'll show you guys how to do that step by step. So we'll start by boiling our meat. We are going to be using a beef cube. I will use just one. So you put it according to how you like your flavors. I like one because I believe the spices for one is enough for a certain pot. And then we're going to add salt, just a little bit of salt, not so much, so that we do have an amazing taste going on. And then we are going to put our water and allow the meat to boil. So this meat does take a bit of time to boil and then in cubes as well because we want it to be well done and yet very delicious. So we're going to be frying our mince meat the normal traditional way. Fry our mince meat until it browns to a certain color. So this is the brown I'm going for, and then I'm going to add my onion. Guys, whenever you add onion in any food, like the aroma just changes in the atmosphere, like the house starts to smell nice. Even your neighbors know you're cooking. Then we're going to be using a vegetable spice. I love vegetable spice, guys. I put it in everything. It's my favorite spice and it's very delicious and hard to get. Yeah. Then we're going to use chicken, lemon, and herb spices. You can use any spices of your choice or any spices that you like to make this mince meat. I'm also going to be using Raja to make everything go yummy, 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 yummy. And then we're going to put the Italian pasta sauce. So this I'm going to put quite a lot so that it goes with the pasta that I'm working with, so that everything just goes in and marinates enough. Oh guys, I'm hungry by just narrating how I made this food. Anyways, we're going to put the pasta that we had boiled. So you boil your pasta, don't forget to wash your pasta. Sorry, I didn't show the process of removing the pasta from the stove, going to wash it and then bring it back. Don't forget to wash your pasta, guys, so that it becomes one and it doesn't become all thick and you've removed all the excess starch. Anyways, and then we're going to put our mince meat that we made separately. We'll mix it together and then allow it to steam on a very, very low heat. I put my stove on 1 so that everything goes slowly and nicely because we still had like the little juicy soup, so we want it to be dry but not so dry. Yo guys, sometimes a girl deserves a glass of wine while cooking, so yeah, I'm going for one. Well deserved. Anyway, I did cut my tomatoes, onions, and chili, just those 3 ingredients. You can add more chili if you like spicy food. My mom doesn't like spicy food, so we have to accommodate her in cooking. I'm going to blend this together, and after blending, this is what I get. So I need it to be a bit smooth, so I'll add a bit of that. So this is what I'm going for, and this is what I wanted to get. Right. So after getting this, I'm going to put it on the stove, add my paprika, add my salt. After adding paprika and salt, we're going to add our cooking oil. So we're trying to make a tomato base for our meat. So after boiling the meat, I put it in oil and then I fried the meat into this. So you boil your meat until it's well done, fry your meat, and then you get the crispy brown that you're going for. So afterwards, we're going to take the tomato paste base that we made Put it in the meat, mix it together, and voila, this is what you get, guys. This is very delicious. You guys should try it. Not only does it add the softness, it adds taste to your meat. Then you can add as many salads as you want. I was very lazy. I just went for the coleslaw salad. So this is a very easy, fast, yet delicious meal you guys can try.